C-O-F-F-E-E. Coffee, espresso, espresso, coffee, more coffee, espresso, travel coffee, and this little guy, you guessed it, we're making tea. Hi guys, Charlie Mora here, and welcome to my channel where coffee meets comfort right in your home. Now guys, typically I'm not a tea drinker, whether it's bagged or loose leaf. I'm more of a coffee lover. I enjoy making coffee. I enjoy the taste of coffee. I enjoy the smell of coffee. I like saying the word coffee. But every now and again, I do like to have matcha. Now, yes, matcha is a green tea leaf that is ground and pounded into very fine powder. It almost resembles, dare I say it, espresso. It's a tea that thinks it's a coffee. It's a coffee that thinks it's a tea. Whatever the case is, stick around. I'd like to share with you how I make matcha lattes. Now, if you find value in this video, smash that like button, hit the notification bell for future videos, and don't forget to subscribe. So before we get started, there are a few things that we need in order to make a matcha latte. Obviously, we need matcha powder. I would suggest the ceremonial matcha powder versus the culinary powder. The ceremonial powder is better quality. It's not as bitter, and typically the ceremonial comes from Japan, so that's how you can tell you've got good quality matcha. Ceremonial and from Japan. We'll need a mixing bowl. Now typically there is a matcha whisk. Full disclosure, I don't have that whisk, so we'll just be using a regular whisk. We'll need milk. We'll need, whether it's dairy or oat or almond milk, your choice. We need a dash of vanilla extract, teaspoon of sugar, and of course we will froth the milk to make it look like and resemble and actually taste more like a latte. So again, simple ingredients: milk, dairy or non-dairy, matcha powder, mixing bowl, a whisk, a dash of vanilla, some sugar to taste. We will froth the milk and we will assemble it like a latte. Guys, it's that easy. Now, one other thing I forgot to mention is you'll need 4 ounces of warm water, not hot water. You don't want to burn the tea and make it bitter. 4 ounces warm water. Now, depending on how strong you like your matcha, the matcha powder goes a long way. So half a tablespoon of matcha powder, 2 ounces of warm water. And I like to add the dash of vanilla right to the mix. And you will start to whisk the matcha. So with the matcha powder and 2 ounces of water, warm water, you start mixing. And once you start seeing the powder has dissolved, you will add another 2 ounces of warm water. And one of the tricks to making a good matcha liquid is mixing it in a M shape or a letter M pattern. I mean, you can mix it like scrambled eggs, but you get too many bubbles. Mix it with up and down M-shaped motion. Matcha is now ready. Now, I like to pour it into something that I can pour gently, and I'll show you in a second why. Let's see if I can do this without making a huge mess. Guys, next we will heat the milk. Now, you can heat it in a glass or a cup in the microwave. You can heat it over the stove. I will be using my espresso machine to actually steam and froth the milk. Now, the second best part to this is assembling the matcha latte. The first part obviously is drinking it, so let's get this assembled. I have gone ahead and steamed the milk, nice and fluffy, marshmallowy texture to it. Again, if you haven't seen my other videos, check out my other videos. I like to hold back some of that fluffy milk. And about halfway, 3/4 of the way through, get that fluffy milk on top. And if I've done this right, which I hope I have, pour the matcha nice and gently into the top. And guys, there is my matcha latte. And as a final touch, a dash of sugar on top, depending on your taste. Guys, that is my matcha latte. What do you guys think? Let me know. Comment below. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Smash that like button if you found this video useful, helpful. If you like this video, hit the notification bell for future videos. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next video.